So, hello everyone. Today we're here to do the unboxing of this renewed iPhone 15 Pro Max that I bought from Amazon. And my name is Anubhav Mishra. So, we'll get started off with it. Basically, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 GB variant, which I got in natural titanium color from Amazon with their renewed program. And the condition for this iPhone was titled as good condition. So in this renewed program, they basically have multiple conditions. The best one is renewed premium, and then the excellent one, and then they have the good option, and then they have two other, like an acceptable one and one another one. So I got the third best one. I read some good reviews about it, so I was like, why not? Let's give it a try. So pricing wise, I got it for 800 without taxes, and with taxes it was around $860. The new one would come around 1300 or something. So if the phone is good, I think we would have saved a pretty good amount of money on it, and I can use it for a very long time, and you guys can go ahead and also order this. And also about the renewed program, there's another thing. It's not just the condition of the phone, it's also about the sellers. Some sellers are good, some are bad. So I got it from the Amazon resale one only. I think it is the most trusted one because it is directly from Amazon. I don't know where they get their iPhones from, but I thought it would be better to just get it from the Amazon's official seller only. So we'll just start off with the unboxing of this. This is the box that I got in. We'll cut through it and then see what's inside it. Well, this is a pretty big box for an iPhone. As you guys know, the iPhone from the past 2-3 models, the boxes are too small. They don't even have a charger in it. So I'm not even expecting that, especially because it's a renewed one. But yeah, let's see what Amazon has sent us. I don't have a cutter right now. I'm just using my scissor. So hopefully this works easily. Yeah. So we are into the box right now. And as you see, some random things. With the main thing here, let's keep this box aside for now. And so yeah, this is the box. There's some QR code on it. So I got to know that the renewed products, they don't have the original box. They could have it, but mostly they don't. So I don't think so this one would have it as well. But this is the box. I think the phone would be inside it. It should be. So let's just get on with it and see if it's actually there or not, and how's the condition for it. Breaking the seal. Okay, so here's the phone. Let's see what else do we have in the box, and then we'll get on to the condition of the phone. Some cardboard in a random Type-C cable. It's definitely not the original cable that Apple gives in their boxes. So we didn't have the box. We didn't even have the original cable yet. But if the phone is good, I think it's worth it. This is the phone. This is the bubble wrap with it. See. I think it is in very good condition. As you can see, there's no visible scratches on it. See from the sides, nothing. There's a small scratch here. There's some scratches here as well. From the back side, there are some small scratches over here also, but otherwise it looks fine. It's definitely not the best condition as I hoped for, but it's fine, I guess. But yeah, this was for the unboxing. I'll set it up and then let you guys know how was the battery health and all. If you have any other questions for this renewed program or anything that you want to ask for this thing, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely be sure to answer your questions, and I'll try to post a review video for it in a few weeks if I do end up using this phone for a longer period of time. But yeah, in the end, like, have a good day, guys. Let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching. Have a Merry Christmas, have a good winter break, and a Happy New Year. Thank you.